Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to resolve issues with the Petro-Canada app. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button too. So without wasting time, let's get started. Method 1. Force close and restart the Petro-Canada app. Open your phone settings, navigate to the app manager, select the Petro-Canada app, find the option to force stop, click on it to confirm, and then reopen the app. Method 2. Disable and enable your internet connection. Access your device control panel, turn off your mobile data or Wi-Fi, wait for approximately 5 to 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Alternatively, toggle airplane mode on and off before reopening the app. Method 3. Update the Petro-Canada app. Open the Google Play Store app, search for the Petro-Canada app, select it, and if an update is available, click on the option to update next to the app's name. Once updated, relaunch the app. Method 4. Clear Petro-Canada app cache. Open your phone settings, navigate to the app manager, select the Petro-Canada app, find the option for storage and cache, and tap on Clear Cache to remove unnecessary data. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Open the Google Play Store app, search for the Petro-Canada app, select it, and uninstall it. Then tap the Install button to reinstall the app. If none of the above methods work, it could be due to a busy server. In such cases, we recommend waiting for some time and then trying again later. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video.